Hello guys. Today we have an unboxing video for you. Renault 5 Turbo from Tarmac Works. Let's open it right away. The Renault 5 Turbo was produced from mid-1980 to the end of 1982. The engine 160 horsepower, from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.9 seconds. At first glance, it looks very high quality. Now, the lid. Tarmac did a very good job. Not only is it very detailed, it is also very well painted. Look at how shiny it is. I'll get the car out. Look how tiny it is. I like the shine. Let's take a look at the back. The headlights aren't just painted. They're made of plastic. That's why it looks more real than is the case with other manufacturers. What I have to complain about is that the front tires are very tight. I'm trying to push the tire tread away from the chassis a bit, but unfortunately with little success. The rear tires are easier to spin. All in all, tiny but realistic model from Tarmac Works. I am satisfied with the purchase. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you next time.